Okay, this is Jin Brins, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of a kit I got from Gundam store and more. Yeah, so just cut that. Kind of hard to do with one hand, so I'm just gonna put it down. Alright, so here is the box. Got a magnet. Pretty cool. Here's my stuff. And then I got Evangelion 2.0, the movie Unit 1 Awakening. Yeah, I've been wanting this kit for a while, just because I really like Evangelion, or NG, whatever. I don't know, hold on, let me open it, give me a sec. Alright, so like, here are all the parts. It's like a bunch of colors, and here's like the clear for like the special effects, whatever. And then, yeah, more parts. Shit. There's like the clear parts, some more clear parts for like they're sparkly. Looks like arm pieces. Yeah. Just a bunch of parts. And then here's the guide to whatever. Here's the back. I like that symbol. Shows you like how to build it. Wow. Yeah, so I like that there's like color pages too, which I'm really fond of. Says it comes with weapons. Here's like 1,000 hands. Yeah, so that's the kit. This is my first purchase from Gundam Store and More, and I'm probably gonna like definitely buy more, because I want to get like a Gundam 00 kit, like a master grade 1/100, 1/100th. So yeah, I guess comment, rate, subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching.